a tropical beach in the Philippines. And I have Bebop. Say hi. That's Bebop. And she's 15 years old. She was born in the Philippines. And she's a Filipina bird. She's a Filipina. And she eats rice. She eats a lot of human food. Come here, Bebop. Say hi. She's shy. She's shy. But she's a lovely bird. I got her since she was hatched in an egg. So she's been humanized. And she's never had a boyfriend. And she just enjoys her life. She likes the beach. And she likes people. She likes children. She likes women. And she doesn't like the men.
Yes!
But this is Bebop. And she's very sweet. She's cute. And she's nice. And she's getting middle-aged. They live to like 30, 35 years. So she's about halfway done with her life. But she's part of my family. And she's very sweet. She's not looking at the camera though. And she's just a sweet bird. She's a nice bird. And lots of people really enjoy Bebop. That's Bebop. Come on. She's being shy though today. But this is Bebop. And she's a Filipina. And she likes rice. She loves rice.